Yeah, can we say I?
I want
Which color? Do you want white, pink, or blue?
blue.
Blue! There you go. I want blue. Yeah, that one's a police car. It has the number 2. So we have 0, 1, 2. And then 3, yeah. That one's a fire truck. Okay, we gotta form our sentence. We have to say
I want
white or pink?
pink.
Pink! There you go. That one has the number 5. Okay, we gotta form one more sentence.
White.
Can we say it with our full sentence?
I want white.
Good job! Here's the white! Now we'll have all 6 cars. Yeah, good job. Yeah, you realize that one's 4, so it's gotta go before the pink. So smart.
I was. I want help.
Thank you so much for asking. Of course I'll help. Do we want them attached? Here, we can go like this. And then press. Here, let's move your hand a little so you don't get squished. And then squick. Look at those. I know. There's 6 keys there. And you have 2. Now you have 1. Yeah. Should we unlock? Look. I know, that messes up your order. Yeah, but we gotta tilt them over to unlock them. Go. Does it fit? We might have to twist it. Here. It goes this way. Now let me help you. Okay. Now you gotta twist. Let's twist together.
Finish. I want green, red. I want yellow. I want blue. I want pink, white. I want white. I want help.
That's a lot. Here, let's clear your board. Are we finished? Or do we want more?
More.
More. Thanks for letting me know. Okay. Let's put right. What have you left? Oh yeah, we gotta find our wild animals again. Okay.
I want.
Which one do we want? The giraffe or the crocodile, alligator? It's not an option. The giraffe? Okay, the giraffe is right there. Yeah, that's a giraffe. Yeah, it's got long neck. Yeah, look at it. Yellow with brown spots. Is it jumping all over the place? Good job! Yeah! Okay, which one do we want next? The tiger or the rhino?
I want hippo.
It's a rhino, but it's very close. We have a rhino here. Look, this one's the rhino.
Rhinoceros. I want.
Which one? This one's a tiger.
Tiger.
Tiger. Good job. Okay, we have 2 more. I don't know if you have these animals. Let's go look for more.
I want.
No, we gotta see if you have these peacock in your animals. But we can say
I want.
we can say this one.
Wild animal.
A wild animal. I want a wild animal. Yeah, that one's called a peacock. But we don't have it on our device. So close. You're doing so good. Good job! We completed our puzzle. We're all done. Our puzzle.